For these 2 years now, we have been held hostage by the novel coronavirus pandemic, which has changed our life and our world so much that we live in fear. So before we start this video, pray with me that we will soon defeat the coronavirus. Let the world and our life become better. This video pays tribute to the doctors and all that are in front line who has put their lives at risk over the majority of population during this epidemic. So now, let's start learning some words about coronavirus in Chinese so that you can understand and use the right words, and this applies to whatever your situation in China or other place in the world. At the end of watching this video, you will be able to communicate about coronavirus in Chinese, but also able to keep yourself safe.
Okay, let's start with the basics. 新冠病毒 Coronavirus 新冠病人 Coronavirus patients 隔离 Quarantine 疫苗 Vaccine 核酸检测 Test 核酸检测报告 Test result. Now let's talk about signs and symptoms. 呼吸急促 Shortness of breath 肺炎 Pneumonia 咳嗽 Cough 发烧 Fever 腹泻 Diarrhea 恶心 Nausea 头晕 Dizziness 口渴 Thirsty. And now let's talk about how to precautions. That means protect yourself. The things that you can use to protect yourself. First thing we use every day, which is mask, 口罩 N95 mask, N95 口罩 面罩 face shield 面罩护目镜 goggles 防护服 protective clothing thermometer 体温计 disinfector 消毒剂 such as sanitizer or alcohol solutions. And now there's something you need to know. Status updates. That's very important. You don't want to feel that you have zero clue of what's going on. 确诊病例 confirm the case. That means you are positive with coronavirus. And next, 疑似病例 suspected case. That means you may have coronavirus. 亲密接触者 close contacts. That means this is when you were detected to being close who is positive in coronavirus. 重症患者 critical conditions. 轻症 mild case. That means when you get lucky because your corona-19 status just mild, and in most cases you can just either self-isolate or drink some medicine, you will be fine. And now let's talk about causes. 飞沫传染 droplet infection 飞沫传染 human to human transmission. And now let's talk about good to know updates. 发病率 incidence rate, 致死率 fatality rate. And last, let's talk about latest update. Omicron, 奥密克戎 mutation, 变异 or 突变. Okay, smart Chinese learners, tell me what have you learned and how can this apply into your daily conversations? Let me know your comment below. If this video has helped you, don't forget, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below, because we will be uploading every week new videos to help you in your Chinese learning goal. And if you find the video can benefit to anyone, please share this video to them so that we can help more and more Chinese learners on their Chinese learning journey. Or if you have any question about this video, you can leave your comment below. And I will see you in our upcoming videos. Bye bye.